I'm Jonica Saisa G. Colobong from BSCS 3ABA, Basic Elements of Python. Every program consists of certain basic elements, a collection of literals, variables, and keywords. What is literal? Literal is a number or a string that does not change. What is variables? Variables used for string data in a program. To set a variable, you choose a name for your variable and then use the equal sign followed by data that it stores. Variables can be letters, numbers, or words. What is keyword? Keyword are identifiers that Python reserves for special use. Keywords contain lowercase letters only. You cannot use keywords as regular identifier. Data types in Python. In numeric, there are three types, which is integer, complex number, and float. Dictionary, Boolean, set, sequence type that have three types, which is string, list, and tuples. Integer. This data type is represented with the help of int class. It consists of positive or negative whole numbers without fraction or decimal. In Python, there's no limit to how long integer values are often. Example, a equals to print a is of type A. The result is 2 is of type which is class int. Float. This type is represented by the float class. It is a true number with floating point representation. It is specified by a decimal point. For example, is b equals 1.5. Print b is of type B. The result is 1.5. Complex numbers. Complex numbers are represented by complex classes. It is specified as real part plus imaginary part j. Example is Jonica equals 8 plus 3j. Print Jonica is a type Jonica. So the result is 8 plus 3j is a type class complex. Boolean. What is Boolean? Boolean, there are only two possible values which a Boolean data type can hold, true and false. So, this is the example. Jonica equals true. Print type of Jonica. Kolobong equals false. Print type of Kolobong, type Kolobong. The result is type of Jonica, class bool, and type of Kolobong, class bool. Set. A set is Python is a collection of unordered data items where each item is unique in the set. A set is mutable in nature. It means that set items can be changed after creating. Set items can be of any built-in or user-defined data type. A set is created by passing all the set items into a built-in method, set of close and open parentheses. Dictionary. In Python, a dictionary is a collection of unordered data items where each item consists of a key value pair. A dictionary is created by placing all the key value pairs inside curly braces and each pair separated by a comma. So these are the example that I code in Python apps on Android cell phone. DC equals fruits, apple, banana, quantity 100, print fruits, DC fruits, print quantity, DC, print dictionary, DC, print key, print keys, DC key, print key value pairs these items. So the result is fruits, apple, banana, quantity is 100. Dictionary, fruits, apple, banana, quantity 100. The keys is dictionary keys, fruit quantity, values dictionary, apple, banana 100. Key value pairs, dictionary items, fruits, apple, banana, and the quantity is 100. Sequence. Sequence. In Python, a sequence is an ordered collection of similar or different types of data. The data inside a sequence can be of standard or user-defined type. There are three types of sequences in Python, which is string, list, and tuples. What is string? In Python, a string is a sequence of Unicode characters. A string can be created by putting Unicode characters inside single quotes or a double quotes. In Python, it is also possible to create a multi-line string using triple quotes. These are the example. My string equals hello with a single quotes. My string equals hello with a double quotes. My string equals hello with a triple quotes. My string equals hello, welcome to the world of Python. Print my string. So the result is hello, hello, hello. Hello, welcome to the world of Python. List. What is list? A list in Python is a sequence of commas separated values. These values can be of any built-in or user-defined type. A list can be created by placing all the list items inside a square bracket and separating each item by a comma. So this is the example. List equals New York, Los Angeles, Boston, and Denver. Print list 0, list 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 4, 7, 8, 2, 3. Print sum list 2, print min list 2, print max list 2, print list 2, 0, print list 2, -1. So the result is New York, Los Angeles, Boston, Denver, New York, 38, 18, 13. Tuple. What is tuple? A tuple is similar to a list in Python. The only difference is that a tuple is immutable in nature. It means tuple elements can't be changed after creating it. A tuple is created by placing all tuple items inside parentheses and each tuple item separated by a comma. This is the example. My tuple equals 2, 2.8 sum text. Print my tuple 2, 2.8 sum text. The result is 2, 2.8 sum text. Selection control statement, conditional statement. Python has three types of control structures, which is sequential, selection, and repetition. Sequential is a default mode. Sequential statements are a set of statements whose execution process happens in a sequence. The problem with sequential statement is that if the logic has broken in any one of the lines, then the complete source code execution will break. Selection, used for decision and branching. In Python, the selection statements are also known as a decision control statements or branching statements. The selection statements allow a program to test several conditions and execute instructions based on which condition is true. Repetition, used for looping, repeating a piece of code multiple times. A repetition statement is used to repeat a group block of programming instructions.